morning, welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn about Python. So in the previous video we just learned how to evaluate complex data types with the help of while loop in Python, and now in today's video we are just going to learn how you are going to complex data types, like how can you include list and how can you print out those lists like that. So such kind of things we are going to learn in today's class. So students, before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and here is the bell icon, so please hit the bell icon. If you hit the bell icon, you never miss my updates. Friends, if anyone is going to watch my YouTube channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button there and hit the notification bell icon. What is the need you will do this is you'll never miss my updates. Okay friends, so without getting late, we will start our video. So before starting the video, we'll just move on to our Jupyter notebook, and this is called our Jupyter notebook. After executing this Jupyter notebook, you'll get your Python cell is going to be opened like this, and I created a name of the Python 3 notebook as evaluating complex data types and while loop 2, because already first part is completed, so that is the reason I just kept 2 for that. Okay, and now what I written in the code part, I'll just explain for you now. Now we move on to one more example. With the help of an example, I just want to explain how to iterate list with the help of while loop. Of course, we all done all these things by using for loop, and it is very easy in for loop. Why? Because no need to give any variable or no need to find out the length, and here we have to create one extra variable and we have to define that, and we have to give the length of that particular variable also. So we have to do all these things. For that reason, while loop is a little bit difficult when compared to for loop. That is the reason we are saying that for loop is a very basic friendly structure to us, friendly looping structure to us. So we can do even with the while loop just by creating one extra variable. Okay, now we'll move on to the code. I just explained this. Some operations are equally difficult in both for loop and while loop. Consider that we want to create two lists, that is even underscore list and odd underscore list. What even underscore list will do is it contains all the even numbers between 0 to 50, and the same thing odd underscore list is going to contain all the odd numbers between 0 to 50. To do that, we need to iterate all of the values within the range and then add even numbers to even underscore list, and after that, which are not even numbers, that is odd numbers, we have to add all those odd numbers to odd underscore list. To do all these things, we just created here even underscore list is empty and odd underscore list is also empty. And one more thing, we have to initialize a variable called num to 0. This is going to recall all of the values from 0 to 50. Now you are going to set a while loop. The while loop will still continue on till the variable num is less than or equal to 50. And at each iteration of the while loop, we check whether the number is divisible by 2. In case if it is divisible, we can enter that number in even underscore list. For example, if it is not divisible by 2, so to check that divisible by 2, we written here in if condition %2 is equal to 0. Friends, here %2 gives only the quotient, so if the remainder is 0, then only we can say that. So %2 is nothing but it is going to say only remainder, not the quotient. Okay friends, so that is the reason we just consider here %2. If the number is not divisible by 2, we enter the value to odd underscore list, and then at the end of each iteration we increment the value of num by 1. Okay friends, so let us run the cell and see how it is going to print even underscore list, and we got all the even numbers from 0 to 50, that is 26 numbers including 0 and 50. Now we are going to run the cell and we'll see how it is going to work. We got all the odd numbers from 0 to 50, that is 25 numbers, odd elements in that range. In order to implement something using for loop, we would make use of range function. Okay friends, and now what he said in this question is he just okay, we are going to run this first. You can just do that with the help of Ctrl+Enter from your keyboard or run button from the Jupyter notebook. So friends, if you see here from 0 to 50, you got all the even underscore list is printed out like this. For example, instead of that, you can just write one more thing is in quotes The same statement we can write even for the odd numbers also. Instead of even, we can just select odd. So instead of writing one more time, I am just going for copy paste here. So what will happen here for us is just it is going to print like this. Now I am going to print Control Enter. Now if you observe, it is given very clearly that my even numbers. Okay, sorry. Okay students, so like this my even numbers from 0 to 50 are my, oh I forgot to change here. Now I press, now it is changed. My even numbers from 0 to 50 are this, and my odd numbers from 0 to 50 are this. So it is printed in a correct manner, right? So to print out this, it is very easy with the help of writing for loop, because no need to give any variable. And here we just created two empty lists, that is with the help of even underscore list and odd underscore list. And I just want to print all the even numbers from 0 to 50, and I just want to print all the odd numbers from 0 to 50. So we all know that the definition of even numbers and odd numbers, if a number is divisible by 2, we can say that is called even number. If a number is not divisible by 2, that is called odd number, right? So in the same case, we just done this. So here we created a while loop. Instead of 50, we'll just increase the value. Now I'll go for 100. Control Enter here. Okay, and then I'll run this cell now. See, you got. Just you should change whatever the numbers you are changing here. Do we got all the numbers right? In the same way, we can go for prime numbers also, but some difference is there for prime numbers. For not only that, it is not going to divisible by 2, and not only that, it has two factors. So we are going to write factors and all. Okay, that we'll see it later. Okay friends, and it is very easy to print like this. I hope you understand this. If you find this information is useful, please share this information.